Hi friends, I have come out with a new video as I had promised in my last video to come out with a video for the next microphone which I am using. In the last video I had covered Rode NT USB Mini, that is a condenser microphone. So here in the process of learning new technologies, using new products and gadgets to improve my singing. So next when I moved on to broadcasting, okay, when broadcasting is normally we have to sing live and you have your audience on the, for example, social media network like Facebook or YouTube, or even on my the karaoke software which I used to use, it also had the feature for live broadcasting. So when I decided to go on to the live broadcasting, so that time I found maybe I should be going for a dynamic microphone. So typically dynamic microphones are more suited for the live broadcasting because because compared to you can say condenser microphones, the dynamic microphones do not pick up the ambient noise, we can say. The condenser microphones are very sensitive. They pick up audio very much and they even a smallest of a very small little audible also can be picked up by condenser microphones, even though condenser microphones are very good because they produce a very crisp audio and very good for the vocal recording, but because they do not have very high noise rejection capabilities, so normally the dynamic phones are preferred when it comes to live broadcasting or live performance. So that is where I decided to look for a dynamic microphone. Since I was doing live broadcasting on my software, karaoke software, which is running on my mobile device like iPhone, so I needed a dynamic microphone which can connect to my iPhone. So like typically a Type-C connector, if it is supported by the dynamic microphone, that will be very good to connect to the mobile devices like Android phone or the iPhone or the iPad or the laptop. So that is what I was looking for, a dynamic microphone. One is the requirement was a Type-C connector, and also I was looking forward to start using audio mixer because for live broadcasting one should be able to mix audio, video and do the streaming. So for that I was also looking for a you can say audio mixer. So typically when you have to connect your microphones to audio mixer, the XLR connectors are the better. Okay, the XLR connectors are more robust. So that is the most of the audio mixers, they support XLR connectors to connect microphones. So that is what I decided to go for a microphone which has both Type-C connector as well as the XLR connector. So that is how I decided on this once again from Rode company. Here you can see, so this is from Rode company which is called Podmic. Podmic, it is basically for broadcasting the mic for broadcasting or broadcasting. It is called Podmic USB. As I said, it has a USB connector, so that is why it is called the Podmic USB. So this is one of the best microphones which are available in the market. If you are looking for both, one is that it should be a dynamic microphone, it should be convenient for using for broadcasting, it should have the Type-C connector as well as XLR connector, the Type-C connector to connect to the mobile devices and the XLR connect to connect to the audio mixer. So that is how I decided on to go for this specific Rode mic. So again, this is one of the very good mics coming from the Rode company. So this is how the mic looks like. So this is how the mic looks like. You can say it is little bulky or heavy because it has a lot of. First thing is for the live broadcasting, the construction of the mic should be quite sturdy. So it has a very sturdy body, and it has a very good pop filter, and as I said, it supports both XLR connector as well as the Type C connector. Here you can see this is the XLR connector with the 3-pin, and this is the Type C connector to connect to a mobile device, and it also has a headphone jack. Okay, so using the headphone jack, you can connect your headphone, and while singing, this headphone you can use only when you are using the Type C connector. Okay, so when you are using the XLR connector, so the headphone you will not be able to use. So while you are singing on, say for example, mobile device connected to a Type C, so that time you want to use a headphone to listen to your audio or the song which you are singing. So this is how it is. And XLR, as I said, it is to connect to the audio interface. So one may ask, when I'm using the audio interface, so how can I listen to my voice? So in that case, the audio mixer provides the you can say from phone outputs. So that is a microphone outputs where you can connect your microphone and listen to the audio from your audio mixer. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So as I said, this is a very sturdy dynamic microphone. It has a very strong built you can say, and then it has a very good pop filter. Again, since it is a Type C as well as a XLR, so it has a necessary, you can say, hardware technology which supports Type C connector. That is typically the digital signals. The Type C connector provides the digital signals which you can connect to your mobile devices or laptop. And the XLR, it also has an XLR connector. The XLR provides I can say, uh, not digital, it is analog. Okay, the XLR provides the analog output, and the Type C provides the digital output. Okay, so that is how if you are connecting an audio mixer, you will be using the analog output, and if you are connecting to a Type C device, you will be using the digital signals. So that is how it has a necessary analog to digital converter to convert into digital form and connect to your devices. But in case of analog, as I said, the XLR output is provided on the analog, and here you can connect it to your audio mixer. And as I said, it has a digital capability. So like my earlier microphone, which I had discussed, the Rode condenser microphone. So here in this case also, it has a very good digital signal processing capability. That means the audio signal which is available from this particular microphone, when you are connecting to Type C, it is a processed software, I mean the processed audio. So typically the processed audio is much more better than compared to the raw audio. So many of the microphones which provide the raw output, they do not do any processing. The quality of the audio signal may not be very that good. So, but in case if you are using the XLR output, which is say analog output, so that is a raw audio. In that case, you will be doing that additional processing on your audio mixer. Okay, for example, audio mixer, you can do lot of conditioning of your audio signals and add the different effects, and that is how. So you will be able to use this particular microphone both in the digital audio form or the analog audio form. Okay, so this is one of the very good microphones I started using for live broadcasting. I'm using it whenever I have to do live broadcasting on the, like, whether it is my karaoke software, or live broadcasting onto YouTube, or live broadcasting onto Facebook. So this microphone can be connected to a stand like this. So while you are connected onto a stand, so you can connect to your various devices either using Type C or the XLR. So that is how I can say very good microphone from the Rode company. Typically for broadcasting or broadcasting, I think you have any specific questions feel you can write to me. So it is again like it has a chordoid pattern and unidirectional, very suitable for the live broadcasting. I think this gives an overview about the particular Podmic USB from Rode company. So feel free to comment and ask any questions you have any doubt about this particular mic. So let me again put a disclaimer. This video is not sponsored by anybody. Okay, so even though I am a Rode company fan, I am using various microphones from Rode company, but this video is not, I can say, sponsored by anybody. So this video is created on my own, with my own curiosity to bring or share my understanding of these microphones with my friends and others. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Let us meet again in my next video. I request all of you to subscribe and to my YouTube channel, and also like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you very much. Thank you.